Alright, here we are under Hazel, Tom's 64 Squire. I did take apart the shift linkage down here at the trans. I just want to make sure there was no bind in the trans. And we are good to go here. I have it disconnected. I do want to look, you can see up in here. Look at these bushings, they were oil soaked from this leak. Looks like we got a valve cover leak. And then over here on the steering box, it's leaking out of the rear seal. And you can see, try to zoom in here, get the light where I want it. You see that clean spot right there? That appears to be a bind. But just looking, there's our linkage there. I'm just gonna go through and check this pivot. I have a feeling something is bent in this pivot. But I want to go up and try it now that I have the trans unhooked and then go from there.